क्या बात है।
आया है मुझ पे तेरा ही नशा, कम वक्त दिल ये कहाँ जा फंसा। ଯାହାକୁ ଭାବେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ, ଯାହା ସୁରେ ଭିଜେ ମୋ ସପନ।
Hello, welcome back to my channel Ittiga Entertainment. Today I will start the program in TCP that when there is one server and another TCP server, another TCP client, and TCP client will be enter the username password and it will be stored in the server. Okay, so that first it will be verified by the client side whether you have entered the there are two options, okay, register and login. In register you will be enter the username, password and retype password. If retype password is equal to that original password, then it will be send the your username and password to the server. Server will be stored in structure format, so that and another option client is the login. Login means what? When you press the option to login, it will be accept the username and the password and send to the server, and will check if it is validated. Then server will send the message that you have successful login. Okay, so that things I will now create. You will see it. I want to tell you that if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, so here I will start the program. Suppose my left side is the server side. Here start. Suppose gedit. Okay, so here write user server dot c. Okay, this is the user server dot c, and here write, okay, what na user client dot c. Gedit user client, okay, dot c. Okay, now I will start the program. You see, I will be speed do it practical. So first write all header files as include stdio.h, okay, then hash include, okay, I will write stdlib.h, then hash include, okay, string.h. Okay, these things I will write. Then next I will write the all header file of the socket. Okay, sys then types dot h hash include socket dot h hash include net dot h hash include net inet plus ip dot h hash include net inet plus in dot h hash include, okay, uni std. But these header files you have to write. Okay, then what will do, I'll be declare the structures int main. Okay, then here write suppose int server fd, so that it will store in the structure form. So you have to declare stop. Okay, suppose user. Okay, then I'll be write char suppose usr 20. Okay, then char pwd, okay, 20. Then I'll do here, then I'll be take the what is the variable e1. Okay, so server fd, okay, is equal to, I'll be declare the socket socket, okay, then I'll be write af underscore inet, okay, what is the domain name, then your TCP socket type. Suppose here write sock stream. Okay, then I will write the IP proto underscore TCP. That is the protocol. Okay, then here I will check if server FD equals to -1. Okay, then what to write? And I will write P error socket failed. Okay, so here then I'll be exit this file. Okay, so exit this program, so it will be exit. Okay, then I'll be declare the stock DDR underscore IN server client. Then server dot send DDR dot s underscore addr is equal to in addr underscore ne. Okay, then server dot send port is equal to STONS 5000. Then server dot in family is equal to AF underscore init. Okay, then I'll be bind the process intb is equal to I'll be write. Okay, bind in the bind function. What will write? I'll be writing the server ID, server FD. Okay, then here bind stock addr. Okay, then ampersand server. Okay, then what is the size of server? Okay, so if b equal to -1, okay, then write p error bind failure. Okay, then I'll be write the exit 0. Okay, then next what will do? I'll be call the listen function. Okay, suppose listen. I'll be write the server FD. Okay, then what will write server FD? Suppose block size I'll pass the 5 backlog. Okay, 5. Then here you can write int. Okay, int I equals to listen. Okay, if I equals to 0, then successful. Then what to write? Printf ports are ready. Listen from client. Okay, so /n plus this. Okay, then next what will do? I'll be write int size is equal to size of server. Okay, here write int client FD. I want to tell you, if you are not able to understand this program, then in the iCard or in the description box, I will be attached the beginners TCP program. You can check that. Okay, so how to write these things are, what is the meaning of these things? So accept. Okay, server FD. Okay, then here write stock addr. Okay, stock addr pointer casting ampersand client, because this when your client connect, this client information will be passed through the accept function. Then you write ampersand size. Here if client FD equal to -1, okay, then you can write what accept failure. error, accept failure, okay, then exit 0. Yes, so bracket will be closed. Okay. Then what will do? Here you can write printf. Here you can write printf. Okay, so you can write printf. The percentage as request comes from client /n. Okay, so here write inet underscore ntoa. Okay, here write the client dot scene addr. Okay, then I will close the bracket. This is the for temporary code I have not written. This is a very big program, so what will happen? You will be because this program much more contains the your which code, while loop code, if else code. So I'll be save this. Okay. Then what will do? Here we will open this. Okay. I want to tell you one thing. I want to and when I enter the username, suppose user have entered Arun, when I will enter the password, it should be not a display, it should be displayed in star format. So for that I have a code. So for that I have a code. That code I will be copy paste here. Okay. So okay. So first I will copy this code. Okay. So here I'll use this code. I'll use this copy paste. So this code I'll be copy paste. So after this code I'll be copying. Okay, then then client side this code need, because client will be enter the username and password. Okay, I have entered this code. Then next what will do? I'll be save this. Okay, save this. Then again open this. Okay, then after I'll be copy first this code. Okay, then again paste in the client side, because this is socket code. Okay, for the socket code I'll be enter. Okay, so here I'll be paste this code. Okay, I'll paste it. If there is a repeated things, then I can remove this. This thing is repeated, I'll be remove this. Okay, so and UniSTD is also duplicate. I'll be remove this. Okay. Okay. Then what will do? I'll be paste your which code? Next socket code. I'll save this, close this. Okay. Then go to the socket code. Okay. From this I'll be copy. Okay. Up to bind I'll be copy. Okay. Then I'll be close this. Then here I'll be go and paste. Okay. Okay. I'll paste this code. Okay. Up to this is the username password input code. Okay. So here what we'll do? Instead of server ID, it is a client program. So here write the client FD. Okay, client FD. Then here write also client FD. Okay, client FD. Okay, client FD equal to -1 socket file. Then server is also added. Instead of bind, here server is not contains bind. Here is the write the connect function. Okay. Connect function, not server FD, it is the client FD. Okay. Empty stock socket server, size of server. If C equals to -1, then connect failure. Okay. Then write connect failure. Okay, then here I can write printf client connected to server. Okay, class L. I'll just run this program and then after I'll be check. Okay, first I'll compile the server code. Server code successfully compiled. Then after I'll compile the client code. Client code contains some error. U1 is not declared. Okay, U1 is not there. Struct user. Okay, then what we'll do? I'll be little bit change the code. Okay, struct user. I'll be what will do? I'll be code these things. Okay, then I'll be paste in top of the program. Okay, here will be paste. Okay, then I'll save. Then we'll run. Compile. Run it 20, 34. Okay, 30. Struct stru. The struct user is not defined. 30. 121. So what is the error? Struct user. Okay, 90. 2 times it is defined. So it will display the error. 2 times it is defined. So I'll check where it is defined. And yes, 2 times it is defined. So I'll remove this one. Okay. So I'll be check whether it is running or okay. This is only this client is connected with this error. Then what will display? Error is stated with. That means before that semicolon is mistake. You can check. A client is connected. Okay, so bracket is missing. Okay, so then I'll check. Okay, successful. I will do one thing. I will clear the screen. So using here, I will press system. Okay, I write the clear. Same as in here also I will write system clear. Okay, so I will check this is successful running or not. So here first compile /8 out. Okay, so ports are ready to listen from client. So here compile /8 out. Okay, then my program successfully connected. Then I will write the logic. Okay, so how to write this? First I will go to the client side. In client side there is much code needed to this program. So you see here what are things I will write. So here I will write. Okay, so what will write you see. So here write int flag. Okay, int flag. I will advance declare it. If it is needed then it's okay. Otherwise I will be then char. I will write pwd password. Okay, is equal to what is the size? I will write max. Here the max size I have written. Okay, what is the max size I have written here? It is the max size 32. Okay, so here write the max size, or you can also write the 32. Okay, max size, max password, maximum password. Okay, pw. Okay, max pw is equal to all bits I'll be initialized as 0. Okay, so same as char. I'll use pw1. Okay, here also write max pw. Okay, is equal to bracket 0. Okay, so okay. Then char value vector pointer p1. Okay, is equal to what to write? Now pw. Okay, password will store. Then another char. Okay, pointer p2 is equal to what to write? Now pw1. Okay, so it is password store. That means p is a pointer which store the password. Okay, store password and it is store the password. Store the password. Okay, so next what will write? After that will write, okay, file. It will be write pointer fp1. Okay, fp1 is equal to stdin, means take the password. Take password from keyboard. Okay, so next time also same, file, okay, pointer, it is the fp1 fpl pointer, then fp1 is equal to stdin. Okay, so this will be right. Then here size, okay, underscore t n nchr is equal to 0. So what I will do, suppose in server side also will be use the while loop. So here what will do, after connected, here I will write the while loop. Okay, so understand what will write here, while. Okay, here I declare while 1 infinite type. Okay, here write, suppose it's char usr 20 pwd. Okay, 20. Okay, you can also take the max pwd, you can also take, no problem. So here I will write what, I will give the options, printf. Okay, so here write /n 1 for register. Okay, then okay, then printf 2 or login. Okay, /n printf /n 3 for exit. So okay, so after that, okay, after that what will enter, I will write here option 1 variable int opt or choice. Okay, so here write printf enter your option. Here write scanf %s. Okay, so %d. Okay, you have to write ampersand opt. So this opt I will be sent into the server, so that whenever client side which option you have entered, then same coding we have to write in also server side. So this option code will be performed corresponding to the server. That means here if your option 1 is the register, then in the server side option 1 also used for as a register. If option 2 we have sending for login, then server side option 2 work as a login. Okay, so you need to send the option. Okay, what to write, send okay, client fd. Okay, then you have to write ampersand opt. What is the size of int? 0, then 4. Okay, then here write switch. Okay, here write the opt option. Okay, so option here will close. Okay, here is the write the bracket. This is the while loop. Okay, and this is for your switch case. Okay, so here write the case 1. Okay, I am not writing logic, only for testing purpose I can write printf user name is registered. I am not writing logic now. I'll just checking. Okay, that case 1 is executing server side or not. So that after that I'll be write the logic. Okay, printf user login. The login logged in. User logged in. Okay, so then break. Okay, then case 3. Okay, here write exit. Case 3 for exit purpose. Okay, so here I'll write printf press any key to exit. Okay, slash n and then get char. Okay, so that in server side also I will move. Okay, in server side also I will be move. Okay, this. Okay, and I'll compile this so that it is working or not. So yes, working. So here go, and also server side I need to change. So in server side, here I will start the program. Okay, here also write while 1. Okay, so here write suppose there is the int opt is equal to receive. Okay, so in write int opt. Okay, then receive client fd. Okay, then ampersand opt. Okay, size of opt is 4, data type 4. Okay, then here write if opt equals to 0. Here is not able to default, we will add first default. Okay, so here case 3 also exited, then default. Okay, default for the right printf invalid option. Okay, so then I'll go to this side, and in the server side I'll be also I think here also take the same switch case. So I will take switch opt. Okay, that means here write case 1 because you is for insert करना, so write printf suppose successfully register. Okay, then break, then case 2. Okay, what to write here? Printf user successful logged in. Okay, then slash n. Okay, then break. Okay, then case 3. If client closed means server will be closed. So we will write the exit 0. Okay, then default. Okay, default printf invalid option clicked by enter by client. Okay, so this is the bracket close. Okay, so this is the your while close, switch close, and this is also. Okay, then I'll close this. Then I'll be compile. So client fd ampersand opt 0 recv Okay, why copy to hide display error? Oh, semicolon not there. So here dot slash a dot out. Okay, ready. So compile dot slash a dot out. Okay, user 1, enter 1, then also successfully registered. If I enter 2, that means logged in. Yes, you is logged in. If 3 means it will be exited. Okay, that means it is working. So now I will start the coding from the client side. Okay, so okay, then what to write? I'll be for the register purpose here I will enter. Okay, what to write here? Printf enter username. Okay, enter username. And what to write? Scanf. Okay, percentile s. Okay, I will be take the user here. I will declare the two variables. Suppose char usr suppose max pwd max pw. Okay, then user suppose I have entered the 30. Okay, then user also max pw. Okay, then password pwd equal to what? Now we will write the same max pw. Okay, and also retype password I will be enter okay, then pw1 okay, then max pw. Okay, so here write USA username entry. Okay, then printf enter password. Okay, I have entered password. Then here write and get char. Then we will write the get char. Then which function will be called? Get password function will be called. You see here this code is get p pass wd. It is actually the password. Okay, so here I will copy this. Okay, so here come and here will be paste this code. Insert this get pwd. Okay, then what are the arguments I will pass? Will be pass ampersand p1, that means password 1. Okay, then max pwd, maximum password length. Okay, then I want to print this star. Okay, then fp file pointer will write into file pointer. Okay, then same as enter repassword. Printf enter repassword. Okay, so here write. Okay, then write get. We paste this code get pass. And what write? After p1 will write na. Yes, p1 p2 will write ampersand p2. Okay, then max pw. Okay, then it will print the star. Okay, then fp1. Okay, so how it is created to check. So in this what will write? Now if suppose strcmp p1 comma p2 equals to not equals to 0. That means if it is successful, not if you have password repassword not mismatch. Okay, then what will write here? Okay, write printf password mismatch. mismatch. Okay, then this, then what to write? Get cap, will be right. Printf, press any key to register again. Okay, then /n. Okay, then get cap. Okay, then you write continue. Okay, continue means what? Again go to the this. Okay, if it is successful. Okay, if it is successful, then what will write? It will be strcpy. Okay, you write u1.usr. It will copy to the usr copy string copy that is structure variable. This structure variable. So why structure will declare? I will see here. This structure variable. Okay, u1 that is user u1 dot password. So here write. Okay, so it will be the structure will send. Okay, continue usr, then we write usr. Okay, then strcpy. Okay, what to write? u1 dot pwd comma pwd. Okay, this using password will send. Then what will write here? You write send. Okay, what will send? Client fd. Okay, ampersand u1. Okay, then write size of stock user1 user. Okay, then 0. Okay, these things will be sent, and it will read the display the message printf successful register. To server. Okay, /n. Then I'll be check this program. Then after I'll be continue. Okay, I'll write the next one. Then you see server is also ready. Okay. Server side I will not. Server side I will receive this. Then after I'll be confirm that yes it is received. Okay. So in server side, at least write here is to remove this code. We'll write receive. Okay, how to write client fd. Okay, ampersand u1 when the structure, and here what to write? Not here. We will write. Okay, here we will write int size1 is equal to, we will write size of stock user. Here we will write then u1 then size of then size of ampersand will by ampersand 1 size of user. Okay, then we will write 0. Okay, so no need to write these things. I'll be remove this. Then here I want to paste printf. Okay, I'll write printf username received %s/n. Okay, u1.usr. Okay, same as I'll be copy paste this code and write the password for this. Okay, alright. Password received. Right. pwd. So request for the one is not complete structure or union. Okay, then what is right? ESR. I think this is not declared. I will check it. 52. Okay. So 52. First I'll check it is written or not. USR. Then US stock USR user. Okay. Then okay. Then here I'll be go to the here while on I'll be see the switch client percent E1 size of user 0. Okay. Then username receipt E1 dot not it is a comma. So it is a comma and it is a comma. Okay, so here will close this and compile. Then you will error because on declare USER. Okay, size of not user, you will write size of struct user. Okay, size of you write struct user. Okay, then close. Compile is success compile /8.out. Okay, so here also compile this code. Okay, then I'll write 1, enter the username Arun, password Kritika. Okay, so enter password, then again re-password, I'll be enter Kritika. Okay, Arun also received. Arun password received error. Also I'll be check this why this errors are occurred. Okay. So here client password P1 and size of stock user 0, username received USR 1 and password received this. So I will do one thing. Here will be write okay user 1 stock user 1, then this is user 1 and password is user. Okay, then you go to the client side and check where this errors are occurred. Enter the password. Okay. So we will enter password. Then here enter the slash n. Okay. So interruption is there. Interruption. When we see this unpercent match method, then we write is not equal to 0. After mismatch, press any key, get cap, continue, specify U1 user, then user will be copied, and then password is copied, client FD. Okay, send ampersand U1. Here do not write the size of okay, size of okay, and then struct user then 0 successfully registered. Okay. Then here also we'll check what is written client ID U1 struct user 0 the username received this U1 user. So I will tell U1 is equal to I will write so here I will do compile again 1 Arun Kritika okay, Arun received but password not received. So here what I'll do and actually this is actually password will not be copied. It is P1. Okay, P1 is stored the password. So P1 will be copied to the E1.pwd. Okay, so now I'll be save this and I'll check whether it is working or not. Address is already used. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll be instead of 5,000, I'll be changed to 6,000. Okay, so here compile and see run. It is also in this sites. I'll be changed to port number 6,000. Then save. 1 for Arun, Kritika. Okay, so it is coming. So in this side, what I'll do, I'll be save into the file. Okay, so that later you can check this exists or not. So here I'll be use file declare the file system. Suppose file pointer f write. Okay, then file pointer f read. Okay, so here what I will do now in this case one. Okay, it will be received. So no need to write these things. Okay. I will remove this. So I will remove this because I found that it is successful coming. So here what to do? I will open the file pointer f write. Okay, is equal to f open. Okay, file open. So what to write here? User dot data file. Okay, I'll be open a plus append plus. Okay, so okay, then what will do? I'll be write this structure variable. So what is the syntax? I'll write suppose here f read. I think f read is the variable. So f read, I'll read f read 1, f write 1. Okay, so here I'll write okay here f write 1. Okay, so here write f write. Okay, so I'll be write. Okay, what to write here? I'll write ampersand. Which structure you have to write? Ampersand e1. Okay, then size of. Okay, struct user. Okay, then bracket close. Then you will be write at a record write the one record. Okay, then which pointer variable will be write a e1. Okay, then to add the message printf successful register in server. Okay, so it will be server. Okay, then I'll be check whether it is working or not. I will compile this. Yes, successfully compiled. Okay, then this side also I will compile. Okay, then press the 1. Enter name. Suppose Arun. Okay, Kritika. Okay, then Kritika. Okay, then successful. Then if I want to see check, then what to write? After exit, I think I will give one /n so that it will look good. Okay, then after exit, okay, double /n I will give. Okay, then I will check whether this will be stored in file or not. So what will I gedit? Okay, user.dat file. Okay. what is the file name I have given. I will check. So file is not closed, so it is not displaying. So what is the file name? I will check. User that then after it should be closed. Okay, so here write f close fp. Okay, f write 1. Okay, so again I will compile. Okay, and check address is already bind. So here I will go and change to again back 5000. Okay, so here port is already, then support connection dispute, then okay we will write 5000 here. Okay, so here go and change to the 5000. Okay, then compile, then 1, enter R1, suppose Kriti, 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 Kriti. Successfully registered, then I'll check in server. I'll be write gedit user.dat. Yes, file is written to my input file. Okay, so next we'll start login and check whether it is login or not. So here I'll be open the code and write for the login. Okay, so here I'll be enter into the login process. Okay, so here user. Okay, so remember here I will be write printf enter username. Okay, so and like write scan you that take the okay, so what will write here, you will write enter user. Okay, you will write %s. Okay, user. Okay, then printf. Okay, enter password. Okay, so here write, I will copy these two things. Okay, get password for checking purpose, not this one. Okay, this. Okay, then here come and write. Well, password is written. After that, we will write strcpy. Okay, what to write? Now u1 dot usr will be passed the usr. Okay, then same. Then strcpy. Okay, will be write u1 dot pwd. Will be write p1. Okay, then what will do? Send this. Send. Okay, will be write. Okay, what will write? Suppose client fd. Then will write struct size of. Sorry, will pass ampersand u1. Okay, ampersand u1. Then will write size of un also you can write. Okay, then 0. Okay, then what will happen after send this? It will be checked. Okay, then go to this sides. This will be checked. Okay, this will be received in your here. Okay, so remove this code. Okay, I think don't write this again. It will be just copy this. Okay, just copy this. Not this much you will copy. You will copy up to this. Okay, so and here you will be paste. Okay, you will write then what will write here will be write Okay, here will write. Um, okay, here will be in search. Okay, so here it will be search. Okay, then how to search it? It will be write receive. Okay, here first open the file. You will write okay, first you receive, then you will write f read 1 equal to what to write ampersand u1. Okay, ampersand u1. Okay, you will open f open. Okay, f open. What to write now user dot dat. Okay, which mode you will open? A plus mode. Okay, F read. Okay, F read, not F write. You will open the in F read mode. Okay, so after that, you will be write this option, F read option. While okay, you write f read. Okay, you write ampersand u1. Okay, then you will write size of stock user. Okay, it will read one by one record from the f read one. Okay, it will read from f read one. Okay, greater than 0. Okay, it will say what to write here. Now it will be suppose receive the data from this side. So you do one thing. You have to now check. So you do one thing. You will be write declare here another structure. U1 then comma u2. Okay, is equal to okay, then will be received from that side. Okay, u2 will receive that side from u2. Okay, and every open is this, then while read u1 size of structure will f read greater than, in here write if. Okay, if strcmp. Okay, you will write u1 dot user comma u2 dot user. Okay, equal to 0. Okay, and u1 dot pwd and strcmp. u1 dot pwd, you write u2 dot pwd. Okay, equal to 0. Then you write printf successful register. I just check here, then after I will send the message from that side. Okay, so here we close. Okay, then I write here okay, then F close. Okay, I write F read 1. Okay, so then after that, okay, then check here. Okay, so here what is the error will be occur? Okay, bracket is the problem. So here don't close this. Okay, so here what it will do, it will be compile successful dot slash a dot out. Okay, here also compile again 1 for enter. Arun, same as Arun, password also Arun. Okay, so successfully verified. Okay, then I'll be enter 2. Okay, enter your username. Suppose I have entered Arun. Okay, password Arun. Successful register. That means not successful register. I will enter. So enter password. Okay. So here enter password. After I will be give the slash sign. Okay. Enter password. Okay. Here. So here we give the slash sign. Okay. Then here I think this code is working. So instead of successfully register, okay, I can write here successful. It will send the message that it will be send the one string message. So char str suppose 500 okay is equal to successful register. Successful logged in. Okay. Successful logged in. Then send this message. Send. Also send client FD. Okay, you will write str. Then strlen. Okay, you will pass the str. Okay. Then 0. Okay, so semicolon. Send this message, then you will come to the client side. Okay, so client side what to write here? Cache to enter. Okay, receive. Okay, you can write. You will declare your first string. Okay, char str or 500. Okay, so here write. Receive client FD. Okay, then will be pass the str. Okay, then size of str. Okay, then bracket 0. Then will be that printf. Okay, percentile s slash n. Okay, str. Okay, I'll check whether it is working or not. Just see it. Okay, so compile. This is login char. Student before char there is not similar thing. Successful. I have not bracket started, so will be given another bracket. Okay, so now it will work. You see, then slash and run. Okay, then compile this. 1 Arun Kritika that's registered. Then 2 for login. Okay, enter username Arun Kritika. Okay, then it display successful login. So that after password, okay, successful login, I will give the here semicolon. Okay, and then either give here slash. Okay, so I think this program I have you understand. So now what we'll do, okay, so here see the program. I'll compile again, run. Okay, here also I'll be compile and run this program. 1 enter Arun. Okay, suppose Kitty and Kitty successful login. Okay, so successful server. Then 2 for login. So Arun, okay, Kitty, then successful login to server. Okay, then 3 for exit. You can press the 3, then press any key to exit, then it will be exited. Okay, press any key exit, then you will be write the press any key exit get char. You will write it 2 times. We get char so that it will be wait and close. Okay, I think you all understand this program. This is the you can also modify and also verify that username does not accept a duplicate. You can do this. Arun Kriti. Okay, successfully registered to the server. You can find in case to the login again. I want to login, check whether it is login or on. Okay, then click the. Okay, yes, it is also successful login. Successful login 2 times it will display. Why to display? I will tell you. And then 3 for any exit. Then why display 2 times? I will see it. Okay, okay, slash don't write a slash n, 1 time slash n. Okay, not this case 2 slash n. Okay, so I will check this why 2 times it will occur. Okay, it should not be multiple times it will display. I think program here. Okay, receive client empty str size of str printf slash n press any key to exit. Okay, I will again check. I will again run this program and check whether it is executed 2 times or not. So here write the suppose 6000 because bind process failure. So it is also 6000. I will write. Okay, 6000. 6000. Okay. Then compile 1 oron. Okay, oron. I will write suppose dp. Okay, successfully register. Then 2 for login. Okay, then enter oron dp. Okay, successful login it will display, and if under 3 then you press the 3, it will be quit. Press any. I think you have understand successfully. If you are understand, then subscribe my channel. If you are already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, bye. Thank you.